Hello everybody, Cherie Wayman from Fanklemade here. This is a short video just to show you a quick fix on how to change the orientation of your finished image. If you can see here, we've got an apple lying on its side, and when we select it, you'll see that there are measurements around it. On these ones it's 3.421 inches wide and 2.751 inches high. But the apple is on its side, and what I really want is to have this selection box so that the green handle is above the core. I'm going to take a copy of this so that we can use another version of the apple just to compare like for like. So with the new version, I'm going to use the handle and turn the apple around so that it's now in an upright position, and that's what I want the finished image to look like with the handle above here. To achieve that, I can go to the drawing tool over here, select a rectangle, draw it around the apple, and at this point it just needs to be around the apple. The apple needs to be inside that area. It doesn't matter what side the square or the rectangle is other than that. Select all of it, make it a compound path. This will take out the coloration of your image, but you can put that back later or do this stage earlier than the colouring. Simply go back in again and now release the compound path. Remove the outer square or rectangle. Make this image a compound path again. For this case, just change the colour back. And when you select it, you now see that you've got the green handle at the top, and the measurements do change a little bit, which is also quite key for you when you're doing design. You might find that the best way to measure the actual image from top to bottom and left to right is at a different orientation. So this one is now 2.757. The original one was 3.421. The height of the new one is 3.331, and the original was 2.751. So you can see that it's quite a difference. That's all I wanted to show you. I've found this to be really helpful for myself, and I hope it helps you. If it does and you like this video, please subscribe and follow me. Thank you very much for listening.